Hello everybody. In this video, we shall learn complete loan schedule from disbursement to recovery and the same duly accounted to. Before that, we need to understand the utility of this functionality in the application. Many employers understand the need for cash issue of their employees and try to help them by allowing advance to them, and the same would be deducted in few EMIs as mutually agreed upon between them, so that the employee too is not burdened at the end of each month. And if these details are not charted out in a planned manner, then chances are that the employer may either fail to recover some installments or recover in excess. To ensure such lapses do not occur, Paybooks has got this functionality. In the home page, click on Transactions. You can see some of the menus under Loan menu. That is Loan Master, Disbursed Loans, Manage Payments and Closure or Waiver. Now, we shall see each of these individually. Loan Master. Here, we are creating the different types of loans. They can be personal loan, or vehicle loan, housing loan or educational loan, etc. Abbreviation you have to update based on the loan name, and you have to map them to the appropriate loan types from the drop down list. Once you are through this, a new checkbox opens up requesting you to enter the rate of interest for the loan type created. This depends on HR policy. The employer may either lend interest free loans or charge nominally. Before saving, please ensure active checkbox is duly ticked. Whatever loan types are created here will appear while disbursing loans to the employees. Once created, the loan type appears on the screen. You can either edit or delete the same. Once the loan type is allocated to any employees, then deleting that would not be possible. Next is Disburse Loans. Click on Disburse Loans and you will come to a new window. Here you can either update disbursement either individually or bulk. To update individually, please click on New. To update bulk wise, please click on Import. Individually, click on New and a new window opens up on the screen. Fill up all the fields, all being self-explanatory. It is not a big deal filling them. You have to update the employee code for which employee you wanted to deduct the loan. You have to select the loan name, update the loan amount, loan description, disbursement date, repayment start date, type of recovery. You have to select type of recovery from the drop down, whether recovery has to be done yearly once, half yearly, monthly or quarterly. Interest type you have to select from the drop down list. If you are charging interest on the loan amount, you have to update the interest amount here, or you have to keep it blank. Number of installment. You have to update number of installment. In how many installment this 1 lakh rupees has to get recovered. After updating these information, round of value you have to select from the drop down as per your requirement. One of the two concerns you may face in while selecting whether to calculate perquisites once again. This is depend upon the company policy. The other concern is to check external loan or not. If the recovery need to happen from salary, then ensure this checkbox is kept blank. If the recovery need not happen from salary, then tick this checkbox. Recovery would happen from outside payroll. The recovery schedule would appear on the screen here just for records, but this would not be deducted from salary. Once you have updated all the information, you have to click on Repayment Schedule. The loan schedule appears on the screen for your perusal. Should you feel it is fine, please click on Save. Thus, you have created a loan employee wise. To create loan or bulk wise, you have to click on Import. Here, you have to click on Template. Our Excel template will get generated. Update the necessary information. You have to save the file in the local server. Browse the file. Click on Import. Manage payments. Once the employee resigns and if still the loan is not recovered completely, then this is the place to do it. In other words, settlement of unrecovered loan is done here. You have to click on Manage Payments. A new screen will appear here. Here you have to click on New. Update all the relevant information. And you have to click on Save. Then the loan settlement is recorded in the application for records. Loan waiver or closure. After an employee resigns or terminated, should the employer feel that the loan need not be recovered, the same should be closed by waiving off. Else, this would reflect against the name of the concerned employee even after resignation or termination of that employee. You have to click on this closure or waiver. A new window is open. Here you have to click on new. Here you have to update the fields appropriately, comments if any, and you have to click on save. Please remember, this is done only to those employees whose loan is still left unrecovered and the employer is ready to waive the same off. Thus, the unrecovered loan amount disbursed to the employee is successfully waived off. Thanks for watching this video. Please contact Paybooks support for further queries.